This infotainment will be continued. Some less known facts of humble potato. This one is part 1b. Science, archaeology, history, culture and cuisines. Humble potato has its presence everywhere. Potato can be called a fragile gift from the Andes. Sweet potatoes belong to the morning glory family, also known as the Convolvulaceae, and they are actually solen roots. Potato is a stem, sweet potato a root. Potato scientific name Solanum tuberosum. Sweet potato scientific name Ipomea batata. Potato belongs to Solanaceae family. Sweet potato belongs to Convolvulaceae family. The original potato species imported by the Spanish directly from the Andes in the 1500. Biologically, the edible part of the potato is not its root but stem, and biologically called tuber, as ginger is called rhizome, onion is called bulb, and similarly yam is called a corm. Gladiolus, crocus are also corms. It is interesting to note that the Inca people had a goddess of potatoes. Villages would have one particularly odd shaped potato that would be worshipped in hopes of a bountiful harvest. Europeans first came in contact with the potato in the Magdalena Valley in the Colombian Andes in 1537, and its first recorded use in Europe was at the Sangre Hospital in Seville in 1573. Potato was introduced in the US in the early 1700s, probably from Ireland. Well, most believe that potato was introduced to Europe by the Spanish explorers in the 16th century. Potatoes are now a staple food in Europe and parts of the Americas. The leading potato producers today are China, Russia, India, the United States and Ukraine. Potato word comes from the Spanish word patata, borrowed from a Carib language of Haiti they called batata. Exactly who introduced these golden strips of goodness to the world isn't entirely known. Among the various theories, it's generally accepted that the French fry was invented by the either Belgians or the French. Potatoes were first introduced to Europe not through the French or Belgians but through the Spanish. Around 20 years later, potatoes were brought back to Spain and also introduced to Italy. At this time, the potatoes were still quite small and bitter and did not grow well in either Spain or Italy. However, over time, larger and less bitter versions of the plant were cultivated, and the plant gradually caught on elsewhere in Europe, though it was initially met with quite a bit of resistance. You can see in the picture. In the year 1537, Jimenez de Quesada and his Spanish forces encountered a village in Colombia where all the natives had fled. Among other things, they found in the natives' foodstuffs potatoes, which the Spanish initially called truffles. The first Europeans to encounter the potato did so in 1537 in what is now Colombia. They belonged to the Spanish forces of Jimenez de Quesada. On entering a village from which the inhabitants had fled, they found maize, beans and truffles, which a later account described as of good flavor, a delicacy to the Indians. Who owns French fries? The Belgians may or may not have invented the French fry. Today, they do consume the most French fries per capita of any country in Europe. The Great Irish Famine is the second deadliest disaster in Great Britain and Ireland by death toll 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. The crop failures were caused by lead blight, a disease that destroys both the leaves and the edible tubers of the potato plant. The causative agent of lead blight is the water mold, a fungus, Phytophthora infestans. The Irish famine was the worst to occur in Europe in the 19th century. Note that the NCERT Social Sciences textbook, class 10, mentioned this famine as an example. The Irish potato famine, in history it is also called the Great Hunger, began in 1845 when a fungus called Phytophthora infestans spread rapidly throughout Ireland, the lead blight disease of potato plants. The infestation ruined up to one half of the potato crop that year and about 3/4 of the crop over the next 7 years. During the famine, about 1 million people died and 1 million more emigrated from Ireland, causing the island's population to fall by between 20 to 25%. Diseases and insect pests are major constraints to the potato growers. New strains of lead blight have reached many developing countries and continue to spread. Lead blight constitutes the most serious threat to the potato production. Second to lead blight in importance, particularly in warmer, more tropical regions, is bacterial wilt disease. The impact of insect pests varies between regions. Major insect pests include aphids, tuber moths, leaf miners, Colorado potato beetle, and Andean potato weevil. When did lead blight reach India? The lead blight disease was recorded in India for the first time between 1870 and 1880 in the Nilgiri hills. Now we have Kufri Shailajar, which is a medium maturing potato variety suitable for cultivation in the Indian hills. It has high level of resistance to lead blight, both in foliage and tubers, and better than the other resistant varieties such as Kufri Jyoti, Kufri Girdhari. This infotainment on potato will be continued in the next video. Some less known facts of humble potato, part 2A.